guys, today we are in rainy Ronks, Pennsylvania, standing outside of Katieskitchen. Now this is Amish owned, so we're about ready to head in and get some Amish home cooking and try what they're famous for, which is ham loaf. So are you ready, Bobby?
I'm ready.
Let's rock and roll.
Let's rock and roll.
How you doing?
Good. How about yourself?
Good.
Is there two?
Yeah, we have a booth. Thank you. Hey, thanks. Katieskitchen Authentic Amish Cooking Menu. Let's look at it. We'll go kind of quick because it's kind of big. So there are the appetizers. So there's some ranch fries, and the wings are the house favorites. We have some soups and salads here. Got the grilled chicken garden salad. Got a strawberry lettuce salad. And there's a grilled chicken Caesar salad. And let's go over here. Have some wraps. Got some different wraps there. Looks like their specialty is chicken and tuna salad wrap. And we have some sandwiches. Now Bobby's going to get the chicken salad. That's a specialty. It's got to go asterisk beside it. And homemade potato chips. And we got hot off the grill. Look at that cheesesteak. We have some grilled cheese, fish. We have some Reubens, turkey melt. There's a hot roast beef and cheddar. And we have the monthly specials. Thanks. And we have, like on the fourth weekend, you have chicken cordon bleu. And we have these homemade platters. Here's some of them. You have your meatloaf, your homemade buttered noodles, ham steak, and a shrimp basket. So here we are. We have some meatloaf, open face roast beef, and there's what I'm getting. Where is right there? The ham loaf. That's an Amish specialty. So we came here to Amish country. Got to get the specialty of this restaurant, and that is it. Okay, let's flip it over. One more. Got some different hamburgers. Different ones there. There's your bacon cheeseburger. Got some hot dog. Got dinner specials. There's that with homemade crab cakes on Monday. Wednesday is chicken pot pie. And there's all the sides. A bunch of them. See that? They're all $2.75. Then we got the desserts. And they got a lot of desserts. Got your ice cream, milkshakes, a sundae, homemade pies, cakes, and a kids menu. So a lot of stuff to choose from. Brought us out some rolls and some homemade peanut butter. Look at that. Let's try one. And they're soft. Let's open it up. Put a little bit of peanut butter on there. Put a little more on there, huh, Bobby? That's a lot. Okay, let's try it. There it is. That is good.
Yeah, they make that peanut butter, right?
Yeah, they make it.
It's really soft.
The roll is really soft. The peanut butter's almost like candy. And it tastes so good.
Yeah, it's a lot different than what you get in a jar.
Here we have the food. Now let's look at this. This is the ham loaf. It's like a meatloaf, but made with ham and everything else you put in meatloaf. You got some good looking mashed potatoes there and some noodles. And there's Bobby's chicken salad. Look, that does look good.
It does. It's on a Kaiser roll. It's got lettuce and tomato and homemade chips.
And homemade chips and
And a pickle.
Go ahead, try it out, buddy.
A lot of chicken salad.
It is. Let's see it. Man, it does look good. All right,
Here we go.
take a bite. That's a lot of chicken salad, isn't it?
Yeah, when I took a bite into it, just all squished out.
Yeah.
There's a lot there. It's really good. I can taste I think it's Miracle Whip or mayonnaise. I'm not sure which. Pickles. Chicken's really good.
It looks good.
Really
Try
good
to bite a
too.
little
The
bit.
bread's really good. It's really soft.
Try the homemade chip. And it looks good. That was crunchy. I could hear it. I could hear it.
Yeah, it's crunchy. And they're warm because they just must have. Well, they
Heated 'em
didn't
up.
make them here.
Yeah, I said-
but they warmed them up probably.
Yeah. Good? And that does look good. That is a lot of chicken salad. Okay. Gonna try this ham loaf. Look at that. That looks good, doesn't it?
It does. You got brown gravy on it.
Yeah. So it's supposed to be like a meatloaf, something made with ham. Let's take a look. How's that look?
It does look good.
That looks really good. I've never had this before, so this is something new. Here we go. Wow. That is good. You taste the ham. That's pineapple glaze.
Oh, that's what that is?
There's pineapple glaze on it. It tastes really well.
Okay, so you got the brown gravy on the mashed potatoes, right?
Yeah. But that's good. I've never had that. I mean, I love ham, but this is real good too. I'm glad I got this. I'm gonna try one more piece. Look at that. This looks like a meatloaf with ham. Get a little more of this pineapple glaze. That is good.
Is the glaze sweet?
Yeah. Glaze is sweet. Yeah, I mean, you can tell it's like I said, it's like a meatloaf. Just imagine a meatloaf tasted like ham. It's good.
And they're known for their noodles here. So
Yeah. Yeah, look at that.
homemade.
And I
Those
love
look
these
really
kind. I
good.
love these kind of noodles.
I do too. They're really good.
That looks great. That is good. They got a good flavor to them. Almost melt in your mouth. They're so good. And they're excellent. Look at these mashed potatoes. A little bit of gravy. All Amish cooking here, so homemade. Wow, creamy mashed potatoes. Gravy's good. Excellent choice. Great meal. We like to order some dessert. We got apple dumpling. This is supposedly the specialty of this place. We asked them. They said this is what everybody comes in here and gets. So we have some homemade ice cream. Look at that. You guys see that? That looks good. Let's tear it open.
It smells really good. I can smell the apples.
Yeah. Got the steam. Can you see the steam coming off of it? Looks good. Got some apples in it. So here we go. Very hot.
That's why you got to put that ice cream with it.
Soft. Apples taste good. I mean, that's really soft. We put some ice cream in there.
Tastes like the cinnamon or anything.
Taste the cinnamon. It's really hot, so I need some of this ice cream to cool it down. That's good ice cream too. So that's a great choice here. I mean, they told us that's what to get, and that's what we decided to get. The other favorite item here is the carrot cake. So we got one of those too, so Bobby's going to try it.
And this is homemade here.
That
Make
looks
this.
good.
All their cakes, they said.
That looks good. How is it?
That is really good. It's got the cream cheese icing on it. It's really good. The cake's really flaky. Lots of carrots in there and a little bit of Cool Whip here.
That looks good. The icing's good.
Icing's really good. You don't even need that Cool Whip. The
Okay.
icing is so good.
That sounds good. So I'm going to eat this before all this ice cream melts. Just wanted to show you all this cinnamon in here. Look at all that. All that cinnamon. See?
Yeah, there's tons of it.
Yeah.
I can see the steam now.
Yeah. Still hot. That's why.
Still really hot. Your
Very
ice
good.
cream really melted. So here is our bill. The ham loaf was $10.95. The chicken salad was $7.50. The apple dumpling was $4.95. The ice cream was $2, and the carrot cake was $3.95. And then on the back it says, "Happiness is not about getting all you want. It's enjoying all that you have."
So you can take out ice cream in here, and they also have some pies and desserts you can take home with you. Just noticed right behind me they sell a cookbook of this place. Katieskitchen cookbooks for $20. So if you like this place that well, take home the cookbook and make the same stuff at home. Also here at Katie's Kitchen, if it's pretty outside, come out here and grab you a picnic table and eat. Let the kids play on the slides. And go over here and sit by this little stream. Nice bench over there. Another reason to come here. Wow, what an experience and what a great meal that was.
Yeah, it was really good. We've been in this area several times, and this is the first time we have tried this restaurant out. Good choice. My chicken salad was excellent. They just piled it on that sandwich, didn't they?
There was a lot on there.
Tons of it. I tried a piece of your ham loaf. That was really good with that glaze on top of it.
You never had ham loaf before?
No, I've never had it
That's
before.
their specialty.
Yeah, and the carrot cake was homemade. That icing, that cream cheese was really good. And what do you think about the peanut butter?
Peanut butter was great. I mean, I probably could have came in here and just ate rolls, and peanut butter was that good. So make sure you come here and take one of those home.
Yeah, because a lot of times you get it in a jar, it's just really thick. This is thinner or something.
Yeah, it's almost
really
like
good
candy.
flavor.
It's too good. It's
Yeah.
too good.
We actually forgot to get some.
We're going to go back in and get some though. How about that apple dumpling I had?
That was good too. It was warm. It was melting in your ice cream.
It was great. They told us to get that, and I'm glad they did, because that was better than a piece of cake for me.
So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah, so until we meet again,
J&B
I've left the building.